Hello, adventurers. This week, we're heading to South Korea, a country that blends ancient traditions with cutting edge modernity. From bustling cities to tranquil temples, South Korea offers something for everyone. Let's dive into this fascinating journey. Our journey begins in Seoul, South Korea's dynamic capital. After landing at Incheon International Airport, the city's vibrant energy greets us. We start our adventure with a visit to Gyeongbokgung Palace, the largest of the five grand palaces built during the Joseon dynasty. Walking through its grand gates and serene courtyards feels like stepping back in time. Don't miss the changing of the guard ceremony, a colorful and captivating display of tradition. Next, we head to Busan Hanok Village, a charming neighborhood filled with traditional Korean houses known as hanoks. The narrow alleyways offer stunning views of both ancient architecture and modern skyscrapers. Along the way, we visit cultural workshops where artisans craft pottery, hanji paper, and traditional Korean fans. For dinner, we indulge in Korean barbecue at a bustling restaurant. Grilling marinated beef, bulgogi, at our table and wrapping it in fresh lettuce leaves with samjang sauce is a delicious introduction to Korean cuisine. Paired with refreshing banchan side dishes, like kimchi and pickled radish, it's a perfect meal to end our first day. On our second day, we explore Seoul's modern side. Our first stop is the Dongdaemun Design Plaza, DDP, an architectural masterpiece that serves as a hub for fashion, art, and culture. The futuristic design and interactive exhibits make it a must-visit. Nearby, we explore the lively Dongdaemun Market, where shops sell everything from trendy clothes to handmade accessories. In the afternoon, we visit the Seoul Tower, perched on Namsan Mountain. Taking a cable car to the top, we're rewarded with panoramic views of the city. At the tower's base, we find the famous Locks of Love fence, where couples leave padlocks as symbols of their affection. Don't forget to bring your own lock if you want to join the tradition. For lunch, we enjoy bibimbap, a colorful rice dish topped with vegetables, meat, and a fried egg, all mixed with gochujang sauce. It's a perfect blend of flavors and textures. The day ends in Hongdae, a lively district known for its youthful energy. Street performances, quirky cafes, and boutique shops make it a vibrant spot to explore. We sample street food like tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, hariak, sweet pancakes, and skewered fish cakes before calling it a night. On day 3, we take a guided tour to the Demilitarized Zone DMZ, a strip of land separating North and South Korea. It's a unique experience, offering insight into the history and current state of the Korean peninsula. Highlights include the Dora Observatory, which provides a view into North Korea, and the Third Infiltration Tunnel, where visitors can walk part of a tunnel discovered in the 1970s. For lunch, we try naengmyeon, a cold noodle dish often associated with reunification and peace. The refreshing flavors are perfect for the day's reflective mood. In the evening, we return to Seoul and visit the War Memorial of Korea. The extensive exhibits and life-size displays provide a deep understanding of the country's struggles and resilience. A highlight is the outdoor exhibit of tanks, aircraft, and other military equipment. It's a moving end to a thought-provoking day. We take a high-speed KTX train to Busan, South Korea's second-largest city. Our first stop is Haeundae Beach, a popular destination for relaxation and water sports. The golden sands and gentle waves create a perfect beach day. Along the promenade, street vendors sell delicious snacks like sundae, blood sausage, and freshly squeezed juice. Next, we visit Gamcheon Culture Village, often called the Santorini of Korea. The colorful houses, murals, and winding streets make it a photographer's paradise. We explore local art galleries and enjoy a cup of coffee at a quaint rooftop cafe. For lunch, we head to Jeju Fish Market, where we choose fresh seafood and have it prepared on site. Grilled mackerel, spicy seafood soup, and raw fish platters are among the highlights. In the evening, we stroll along Gwangali Beach, enjoying the view of the illuminated Gyeongju Bridge. Street performers, live music, and lively crowds add to the festive atmosphere. On day 5, we fly to Jeju Island, known as the Hawaii of Korea. Our first destination is Songsan Ilchulbong, a volcanic crater offering stunning sunrise views. Climbing to the top provides breathtaking vistas of the island and ocean. Next, we explore Manjangal Cave, one of the longest lava tubes in the world. The cool, dark interior and unique rock formations are fascinating to see. Don't forget a jacket, as the temperature inside is much cooler than outside. For lunch, we try black pork barbecue, a Jeju specialty. The tender, flavorful meat is grilled to perfection and served with an array of dipping sauces and side dishes. In the afternoon, we visit Jongbang Waterfall, which cascades directly into the ocean. The sound of rushing water and the surrounding scenery create a tranquil atmosphere. We also explore the nearby markets, picking up Jeju oranges and souvenirs. We fly back to the mainland and head to Gyeongju, known as the Museum Without Walls. Our first stop is Bulguksa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The intricate architecture and serene surroundings make it a spiritual experience. The temple's stone pagodas, such as Dabatap, are masterpieces of Korean design. Next, we visit Sukuguram Grotto, home to a magnificent Buddha statue. The craftsmanship and setting inside a cave are awe-inspiring. For lunch, we try sambap, a meal where various fillings are wrapped in lettuce or perilla leaves. The variety of flavors is delightful. In the afternoon, we explore Tumuli Park, where we find ancient royal tombs shaped like grassy mounds. The calm, green landscape is perfect for a peaceful walk. We also visit the Anapji Pond, a beautifully restored royal garden that's stunning at night when the lanterns reflect on the water. Our final day begins with a train ride back to Seoul. We spend the morning shopping in Myeongdong, a bustling district known for its skincare shops, fashion boutiques, and vibrant atmosphere. We also try some last-minute street food like kimbap, Korean sushi rolls, and mandu dumplings. For lunch, we visit a traditional Hanjeongsik restaurant, where a full-course Korean meal is served with various side dishes. It's a delicious way to experience the diversity of Korean cuisine. In the afternoon, we visit the National Museum of Korea, which showcases the country's history and culture through beautifully curated exhibits. Highlights include ancient relics, royal artifacts, and stunning paintings. As the sun sets, we take a final walk along the Cheonggyecheon stream, a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Reflecting on the week, we feel grateful for the warmth of the people, the richness of the culture, and the beauty of South Korea. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey. I hope it inspires you to visit South Korea and experience its wonders firsthand. Until next time, happy travels.